Good day, everyone. I'm not a chef, and today I'm going to show you 3 ways to use pita bread. The first recipe is Hawawshi. In a food processor, put 1 medium-sized onion, 1 large green chili pepper, 1 clove of garlic, a fist of parsley, then mix. On half kilo of minced beef, add the mix. Salt, black pepper, coriander powder, and mix until it is spread evenly. Open a pocket in the pita bread. Put part of the beef inside the bread and spread evenly until it covers the whole inside of the bread. The amount of beef we made can make 2 to 3 loaves of Hawawshi. Put olive oil in the pan. Cover both surfaces of bread with oil. Put in the oven on 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. The second recipe is Fattoush. Cut 1 loaf of bread into 2 cm squares. Put the bread squares in a bowl. Add some dried basil and olive oil. Then mix. Put it on a tray, then in the oven for 10 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius. Cut 3 big leaves of iceberg lettuce into 3 cm squares. Put it in a bowl. Slice 1 cucumber into thin slices. Add to the bowl. Cut 2 small tomatoes into big chunks. Put in the bowl. For the dressing, add 1 tablespoon of pomegranate molasses, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt, sprinkle the dressing on the salad and mix. Add most of the crispy bread and mix. Leave some of the bread for garnish. The last recipe is bread and milk. Cut the bread into small squares. Put the bread in a bowl. Add a handful of raisins, 1 tablespoon of dried shredded coconut. Boil 1 cup of milk. Pour the milk on the bread. Mix. Add honey and mix.